Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever finished a job, looked back over the week, and still not really known how much money you made? Not guessed how much, not hoped how much, but actually known down to the last few pence how much money you made. Because for a lot of self employed painters and decorators I talk to, this is one of the places where the real stress starts. It's not the decorating, it's the constant guessing. Guesstimating how much it is to paint a room. Guessing if the quote was enough. Wondering why you're always busy but still feel that step behind everyone else. Now, this is the part that most people never see. The customer sees the finished job and loves it. But what they don't see are the nights that you can't sleep or the mornings that you wake up early because you're worried about the next job. Have you charged enough? Are you going to make enough money? And why are you on this treadmill of just work, work, work? Because being a self employed painter and decorator, the work doesn't stop when the decorating stops. You've got quotes to do. You've got messages to answer. You've got ordering and collecting materials. You've got invoices to do. You've got follow-ups to do. You've got jobs that are in progress that you need to manage. You've got money coming in and money going out. And that is without all the stuff that you keep in your head and that you're carrying around with you all day, every day. And it gets exhausting. I know because I've been there. And the truth is, decorators don't struggle because they're bad at the job. You struggle because no one has ever taken the time to show you how to run the business side properly, how to price jobs based on facts and not fiction, how to track expenses on a live job, how to stay on top of the money that you earn, how to manage your time better, and how to stop the business feeling chaotic, stressful, and sometimes just out of control. And that's exactly why I created the Decorators Business Reset System. It's not fluff, it's not fake motivation, and it's not someone telling you just to think bigger or work harder. None of that works. Or worst of all, advice from somebody that's never run a decorating business. This is real help for real problems from a real decorator. Now, it's time to stop, just take a breath, and start resetting your business on a better track. I've got tools and templates to share with you that I've built and refined over the years. They all come from real jobs with real problems I've faced and real mistakes I've made, along with real lessons that have cost me time, money, and energy. Now, I've done the hard miles so you don't have to. Inside, you'll get practical tools that will stop you guessing. You will learn how to work out your proper day rate so you know what your business really needs to earn every day. You will also get a pricing tool based on facts and not fiction, so you can work out prices properly and be more confident. You'll also get access to a job tracking tool, so while the job is live, you can actually see how your finances are instead of finding out too late that the profit was a lot less than you thought. I'll also show you a way to make your quoting faster and easier so you can send your quotes in less time, look more professional, and help your customers feel more confident in choosing you. You'll also get a selection of systems to give you better control of your numbers, give you better time management, and generally better habits doing your admin so that your business starts to feel less messy, less stressful, and less chaotic, and enable you to work less and earn more and get you back to feeling more in control. That changes everything. Because the real transformation is not just that you get a few tools and templates, it's that you stop feeling like you're winging it every day. You stop second guessing your prices. You stop finishing jobs and wondering where the profit's gone. You stop carrying the whole business in your head and you start becoming the kind of business owner that knows their numbers, manages jobs better, sends decent quotes that get replies, uses their time better, and just feels calmer because things are finally starting to get organized. And that's a really different way to live. There's another big part of this that really matters. When you're self employed, one of the biggest barriers to success is accountability. Because there's no manager checking in on you, no big boss making sure you've done the work, and no one to make sure you do the things you say you're going to do that actually moves your business forward. And it's easy to stay busy, it's easy to put things off, and it's easy to keep doing what you've always done. If nothing changes, nothing changes. That could all change today. Because when you join, you're not left on your own to watch a few lessons and just hope for the best. You become part of a community of decorators who get exactly how you feel. You'll be in a WhatsApp group, so you have support and input from other people around you who understand exactly the same things you do day to day. You'll also get a weekly live session where each week you will learn something new to help you improve your business and the way it's run. So it's not just more information. This is support, it's accountability, and it's a system to help you take action to keep moving and making real changes in your business. And because you're joining as a founder member, you're getting in at the best possible price. You'll also get a chance to have your input and help shape the course before it goes live later this year. So you're not just joining early, you're helping build it, you're helping shape it, and you're getting in at the best possible time. So if you're tired of undercharging, tired of guesstimating, tired of running around, feeling busy and not really getting anywhere, then now is the time to do something about it. Join us as a founder member. You're going to get in at the lowest price. You're going to have access to all the tools and templates that I use in my business on a daily basis. You're going to get support from the WhatsApp group. You're going to grow your business with the weekly live training sessions. You're going to help shape the course before it goes live to the public later this year, because this is not just about learning more. It's about finally running your business with more control, more confidence, and less stress. And like I always say, if you always do what you've always done, you're always going to get what you've always got.